Hello everyone, this is Jem from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on first day of trading week. Alright, on this video we'll cover our basic instrument as charts, dollar index, gold and US oil. These will be our three charts. Before we starting, I will just give you some news and then we will just go ahead like expectation of this week. This week is important because non-farm payroll data will be released on Friday and that will affect the market so much, especially the Fed outlook, Fed policy outlook, because like the Fed is waiting to see tighter job market. So like when they increase the rates, unemployment will not go much higher than expected. So like you just imagine when they start when they make another rate hike in May and around like a 3.5 or 3.6, unemployment goes higher like a slightly through 3.8 or like a 4. So that means they are not disturbing the market. That's what they want to see. And inflation data of Germany, Spain and Italy, France will be released this week. It's important. And Russia, Ukraine. These two countries delegates will just go to Istanbul, Turkey today, and they will start talking on that one probably tomorrow morning for a few days in Istanbul for permanent ceasefire talkings. If that happens, then everybody will take a deep breath, and if we just really pull back of the troops of Russian troops, then we will see lots of good news on the market. All right, let's start with our first chart. This was news. The first chart is dollar index. As you can see here, dollar index is rising, and recently because of the expectation of more rate hikes in May, it started to price that one from today, from this week, because 10-year bonds of US is just above 2.50. That's really high. And on this level of 10-year bonds, dollar index is also rising. It's also behaving together, but it has reached some kind of like a just similar to this one to RSI 70 overbought area. So a small correction can be seen. When that happens, we may see the effects on gold and also euro dollar and GBP USD currency pair. Then it will just go ahead on its level. Critical level, as we always say, is 1949, 1950 levels, the critical level. And from this level, it's just being rejected. When it reaches that level, we may see higher level. It may test 100 levels. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, our second chart is gold chart. As you can see here, we're always saying that, okay, 10-year bonds will eventually make pressure on gold, and it's happening right now. As you can see on the charts, the gold prices have fallen steep and then sharp. Then right now, and some people are just seeing this point as a buy point, as it just reacted to the same on here, so they are just buying that right now. But as far as we see right now, there is a positive in the market, and these talks in Istanbul, Turkey, between Russia and Ukraine, if they just end up in positive mood, even if they don't make any ceasefire on the end of the meeting, if they say, all right, there is no solution yet, but we have made good progress, even if they say this, it will just go down. But if they just end up that conversation in a bad mood if they just say, all right, it's not happening, like we have tried a lot of times but it's not happening, so only solution and to defeat one side, so we will just go on these worst scenario, then we will see higher level. But as I said, a positive mood is happening right now. Let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is oil, and as you can see here, oil is on the fall. Why? There is an environment for rise, for bullish environment. For example, Saudis have been attacked on Friday, and a lot of things happening. And Russia is asking Russian rubles for payments, gas and oil, and these kind of things should make bullish impact on oil. But what's happening on decline? It's China. So China, Shanghai city has been under lockdown, and it started on Sunday. It will be under lockdown for 9 days. And this COVID surge, zero tolerance of China is making the outlook for oil really terrible. If they just widen that one to more states, more cities, then we will see a less demand for oil, and the price will go down, and it's just end up with a rush sell-off. But when things just change, when we just see that outlook change, then we will definitely see another highish, another bullish environment for US oil. As you can see here, it's already rising, and right now the market is pricing for new laptops. The critical level is 108. If it's just okay past, as you can see here, then we may test 105 levels. Similar to this one, a short sale can happen on US oil. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We'll be together on more news this afternoon. Have a nice and safe day. Bye.